My name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can check us out at allthingsdrain.com. We're out here in Stafford Springs, Connecticut today. We have a customer that has his footing drains in his house that are causing it to back up once again through his foundation into his home. We're going to go ahead and high pressure water jet the outgoing line, all of the downspouts going in connecting to the line, video camera inspect, and locate if there's any issues. Okay, so we were able to go ahead and jet all the footings outside of this house and camera inspect everything to be able to see as much as we could. We found a problem in this corner of the house where the footings connect on the side going out to the area right here. You can't find where the outgoing line is, so unfortunately you're going to have to go ahead and dig this one up. You can see the foundation right here has a large crack going across the side, almost as if the water is pouring right into the ground itself. So at this point it's necessary to go ahead and do an excavation. The customer is going to have to handle this and take care of this from this point. Thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can check us out at allthingsdrain.com.